right, throw it to me. Uh-oh. Can you get the ball for me? Where is it? Where is it? All right, throw it to mommy. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh, it came back at you. Can you do it again? No? Where are you? There it is. All right, you throw it to mommy again. All right, go get it. Go get it. What are you doing? Yay! You getting tired, Jubble Up? Who's that? Who's that? You done? You worn out? Say hi, Daddy.